In this video, I'm going to show you how to add LiteSpeed Cache on Hostinger step by step, so you can speed up your WordPress website and improve performance with just a few clicks. If you have a WordPress site hosted on Hostinger, this is one of the easiest ways to get started with caching and optimization. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, so find the WordPress site you want to work on. Next to that website, click on WP Admin. That will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard without needing to type in your login details again. When WordPress opens, look to the top left corner and click the WordPress logo. This brings you into the main WordPress admin area if you are not already there. From here, go to Plugins on the left-hand menu. The Plugins section is where you can add new tools and features to your WordPress site. Now click Add Plugin. This opens the WordPress plugin search page. In the search bar, type LiteSpeed Cache. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right plugin appears in the results. You should see LiteSpeed Cache show up in the list. Select it, then click Install. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice LiteSpeed Cache appear in the left side menu inside WordPress. This confirms the plugin is now installed and ready to use. Click on LiteSpeed Cache to open its settings area. From there, you can begin configuring the plugin for your website's needs. At this point, you may want to review the main settings and make sure the cache options are enabled properly. Depending on your website, you can adjust performance, caching, image optimization, and other optimization features later on. But the main goal here is complete. You have successfully added LiteSpeed Cache to your Hostinger WordPress site. If you are following along, you should now have the plugin installed, activated, and visible in your dashboard. That means your site is ready to start benefiting from faster load times and better performance. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.